Is your pool looking more like a swamp than a summer escape? Cloudy water can ruin the vibe fast, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the best pool clarifiers that actually work. No fluff, no gimmicks, just clear water and peace of mind. Whether you're battling haze, murky water, or leftover algae, these clarifiers can turn your pool from cloudy to crystal in no time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which product to trust for sparkling results. Let's get into it. Clorox Registered Pool and Spa Trademark Superwater Clarifier is your go-to solution for transforming cloudy pool water into crystal clear perfection. This concentrated formula binds small particles together, making them easier for your filter to remove and restoring brilliant clarity to dull or hazy water. Ideal for weekly use, it helps maintain a consistently clean and inviting pool, perfect for everyday enjoyment or post-pool party refreshes. For expert-level maintenance, pair it with the Clorox Pool app to get customized tips and dosing. Keep your pool sparkling and swim ready all season long. Would you like a short version of this for social media or product listings? Aqueduct's Ultimate Natural Pool Clarifier offers a fast, eco-friendly solution for clearing cloudy pool water. This plant-based formula binds tiny particles so your filter can easily remove them, leaving your pool clean and sparkling. Safe for the environment and gentle on skin, it's perfect for saltwater, chlorine, in-ground and above-ground pools. Just follow the simple instructions on a 32 ounces bottle. No hassle, just results. Add it to your pool care routine for crystal clear water the natural way. Would you like this adapted into a comparison with traditional clarifiers? Pool Elevate's Super Clarifier is a fast-acting, long-lasting solution designed to eliminate cloudiness and restore crystal clear water in pools, spas, and hot tubs. Its advanced formula binds fine particles so your filter can remove them efficiently, enhancing overall filtration performance. Easy to use, just pour in the recommended dose and enjoy clearer water within hours. Safe for all pool types, this 32 ounces pack of 2 delivers both value and high performance. Proudly made in the USA for reliable quality. Would you like a side-by-side comparison with other clarifiers like Aqueduct or Clorox? The Poolarex Plus Pool Unit is a powerful mineral-based solution designed for pools ranging from 7,500 to 20,000 gallons. With a new formula featuring 3 active ingredients, it effectively eliminates all types of algae and significantly reduces the need for additional chemicals. Ideal for use with chlorine, saltwater, UV, or ozone systems, it works continuously for up to 6 months. NSF/ANSI 50 certified for safety and performance, this unit is a convenient and efficient way to maintain a clean, balanced pool with less effort. Would you like a breakdown of how it compares to traditional algicides? JNW7 in-1 pool test strips 150 count offer an affordable and user-friendly solution for regular pool and spa maintenance. These strips test for free chlorine, bromine, total alkalinity, total hardness, and cyanuric acid in just seconds. With a quick 2-second dip and a 30-second wait, users can compare results using the easy-to-read color chart. Reliable and accurate, they're ideal for keeping water clean, balanced, and safe. Bonus includes a free ebook full of pool care tips. Best used within 90 days of opening. Would you like a comparison between these and digital test kits?